guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Kimar, and I'm back with another video. Please disregard how I look. If y'all wanted this video, y'all gonna have to take me as I am. I'm really trying to get this video out. I have on a Her Given Hair wig. I did the crochet method. It's kind of noticeable now, but when you fluff it out, it looks very natural. So yeah, I'm gonna do a review on this wig. Probably not next video, but the video after that. This video is going to be me trying to revive my hair from heat damage. I used some Auntie Jackie's thermal heat protection or thermal heat repair. Thermal repair. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry. I'm just so off right now. It'll be in the title, but I used that to try to revive my curls. And I did a little demo for y'all. So I just wanted to come in and introduce the video so it didn't just start so abruptly. So let's go ahead and get into it.
Okay, hey guys, welcome to the voiceover. So here I'm just showing the heat damage. This is like not straightened or blow dried hair. This is just washed and then put in braids. Actually, those braids that y'all saw in my last video, I think. This is like straight out of those braids. So you see just a lot of damage going on there. And then I'm just showing you guys what I'm using. So I'm using the Auntie Jackie's Butter Fusions Curls and Coils Magic Men Acai and Honey Thermal Repair Mask. For shampoo, I'm using the African Pride Olive Miracle Anti-Breakage Formula. It is a 2-in-1 shampoo, sulfate-free, color-safe, moisturizing, and detangling. I really like the shampoo. It really makes my hair feel really moisturized. And don't worry, I'm not like topless in this photo. I do have on in this video, I have on a bathing suit top, but I just like zoomed in so you can't really see it. So after that shampoo was rinsed out, I went in with the Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils In Control Moisturizing and Softening Conditioner. It's supposed to be anti-poof. This conditioner smelled really good, and I just enjoyed like brushing it through my hair. You'll see, I'm like brushing it through my hair for a really long time because it just smelled good and it felt good on my scalp. So I just let that sit on my hair for probably, the rest of my shower really. Like after this part, I actually took a shower, so I stopped recording. So this is my hair after the fact, looking very damaged and shrunk up. And I'm just splitting it into 4 sections so I can apply the Aunt Jackie's mask that I just showed y'all earlier. So the directions for this mask say on clean, wet hair, completely coat the hair from root to tip, allow it to sit on hair for 5 minutes, then thoroughly rinse all traces of the mask from the hair. For hair that shows signs of breaking or shedding from heat styling, use a deep conditioning reconstructive treatment by coating hair from root to tips, then covering with a plastic cap. Sit under a warm hooded dryer for 15 minutes, then thoroughly rinse and style as usual. So yeah, basically I did that. I probably let it sit for more than 5 minutes. I'd say it was more like 15-20 minutes. So the feeling of the mask on my hair, it felt very like hard and thick, like a mask. My hair was like very stiff and coated. So yeah, and then there were like some parts, like one side of the front, I could kind of feel it like reverting my curls, or at least attempting to revert my curls a little bit. So yeah, you'll see the results in just a few minutes here. The thermal heat repair mask claims to help combat the effects of heat damage caused by frequent heat styling. Aunt Jackie's pairs acai and nutrient-rich superfood that has been used throughout the ages to aid in hair growth and restoring moisture balance with honey to help fill in cracked cuticles and smooth split ends. The battery blend is optimized with an infusion of grapeseed, almond, and mongongo oils to help strengthen, shine, smooth, and reconstruct dull and brittle hair, while also helping to prevent and reverse shedding. So this was after taking the mask out. So you can see, like, it seems like a few of my curls came back. It looks a little less damaged, but I did go in with my Aunt Jackie's Cocoa Repair Deep Conditioner. Y'all have seen me talk about this on my channel before, I think in my last Big Chop update, which, let's be honest, I don't think Big Chop updates are coming back anymore. You'll understand why once we get to the end of this video, once we conclude this video. But yeah, it did say use deep conditioner. The only thing I didn't do is sit under a hooded dryer because I don't have a hooded dryer. But I just put the deep conditioner all over my hair. I split it into smaller sections, so not just sections of 4, like maybe it was a couple sections. And then I put a plastic cap on and I sat with it on for maybe about 40 minutes or so. And yeah. I'll be honest, y'all, I don't know if I'll ever straighten my hair again. Like, I'm pretty traumatized from this experience. Like, and it seems like every time I straighten my hair, I end up with some sort of damage. And I mean, that, I feel like that used to always happen. I don't know, but I'm just like, if I want natural hair, I can never put a flat iron to it again. That's just the bottom line. So I don't know where we go from here. So this was after the mask sat on my hair, but before I rinsed it out. So this is where I could really see, like, some of the curls were really trying their hardest to come back in the front, but it's still very much damaged. And the back is just a lost cause. It's pretty much the whole perimeter of my head that's like refusing to curl back. So yeah, this is after I rinsed it out. And pretty much when I gave up hope on this. So I'm just splitting it down the middle so I can braid it down and put on my wig. But all in all, this was kind of a fail. Like, my curls, I think they're gone for good. I think I've done all that there is to do. So that sucks, but whatever. You live and you learn. And the reason I said Big Chop updates are over is because I literally think like I'm about to go in the bathroom right now and cut off all that heat damage. Like, I cannot stand heat damage or differing textures in my hair. I need everything to be all one texture. So I'm pretty sure I'm about to go take a shower right now and then come out with like a low haircut. So yeah, it is what it is. I also just want to cut my hair. Cutting my hair just makes me feel good. I don't know what it is about it, but I love to cut my hair. So, and I love for my hair to be all one texture, and it's just not right now. Before I went to the pageant this weekend, I took the back part. I cut off so much. I'll insert a picture of it, but I cut off a lot of hair this, like, before I went to the pageant, and now that I'm back, I still feel like I need to cut off some more. So I'm about to go Edward Scissorhands in the bathroom, and that's why I think I will not do any more Big Chop updates, because it seems like the hair is never going to get past a certain point because I keep damaging it and having to cut it again.
I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Clearly it did not work. My curls did not come back, and I actually cut my hair yesterday. I don't know what it is, but I was gonna wait to cut it, but last night I was just feeling very anxious, and something about cutting my hair just really centers me. Like, so I just cut it, and I cut a good chunk off. I'll insert a picture of how much I ended up cutting off. Well, at first I cut off way more than this, because at first I just cut the back because the back looked the worst and it felt really just dry and brittle. So I just like, I gotta get rid of this, I gotta let it go. But then I ended up cutting a lot more of it. So yeah, I'm back to like Big Chop number 1 almost. Like, I think I'm probably like where my hair was probably where my hair was when I did the Big Chop update in June. So maybe I just need to stop doing big chop updates, because every time I do a big chop, I'm like, oh yeah, I cut some more of my hair. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Please tell your friends to subscribe, and I'm gonna definitely see y'all in the next video. Bye.